Hello and welcome back to Redneck Snack and Food Reviews. Today I'm doing a review on Dairy Queen's new Blizzard of the Month. Um, a little bit weird for a February Blizzard in my opinion. I would have expected something Valentine's themed, maybe strawberry, but this time around no. Which I'm not complaining. I actually like the sound of this, even though it's simple and on a regular basis you probably could get it. Um, I think it's interesting. So the concept is it's double fudge um, cookie dough. So it's gonna be good. I can guarantee you that. But I just wanted to get one, do a review on it because it's new by their standards. But yeah, a little bit disappointed that they're not doing something more special for Valentine's. Like I would have really loved like something with raspberry. I remember last year, maybe I don't know. It was either last year or 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. They did a Sour Patch Kids Blizzard, and surprisingly, it was really good. And one of the reasons was the ice cream was raspberry flavored. They mix raspberry syrup in there, and I think they have raspberry syrup on a regular basis, so you can do that anyways. But then the Sour Patch Kids just went so well with it, so I'm gonna try this out, and then call this a review. I was trying to go to Target and get supposedly at Pizza Huts and Target have this mac and cheese pizza, but I never found it. So I'm frustrated with that. Well, I went there and they didn't have it. At least I didn't ask. But usually you would advertise those things, and like I don't know, it was confusing. So I was frustrated. I'll go back like next week and see if they have it. But that's that. This is the review you're getting. I don't know if I've got anything else in store today. Probably not. I'm going to Benny's, which, if you follow my Instagram, you know what that is. If you know me, you know what that is. Um, and getting the other slice they have for this month. And so I just want to post that on my Instagram and actually kind of try. It's like a spicy type thing. It's got like different peppers on it. And I just want to try it. But this ice cream's melting, so let's get to this review. I think there's brownie pieces in here. The one thing I've never been a huge fan of is the chocolate flakes that they put in blizzards. I don't know, I've just never been a big fan. Here, if you want to see it. Like back when I was picky, the only thing I would get was a chocolate extreme, which was loaded with those things. I don't know, I would much prefer if they put like Hershey bar pieces or something. Pretty solid, pretty good. As simplistic as the concept is. Again, there's nothing spectacular about it. I think they could have loaded it up a little bit more. But it satisfies, so I would recommend it. Um, I reckon I'll give it an 8. Cause again, it's nothing surprising. Could be loaded up more. And this is something you could probably get any other month. a brownie piece. I think so. It's good. I'm not complaining. But yeah, that's the review. That's all I got for y'all. Pie for today. But I will have plenty of things for review in the near future. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I thought it was an enjoyable blizzard. Nothing too special. And I'm going to try and get to doing productive things today other than silly old reviews. So yeah, that's it. It's an 8. Give this video a like, comment, share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack and Food. Y'all have a great day out there. Yay, yay!